Imagine the entire Earth was once a molten, chaotic soup of cosmic debris, yet it perfectly organized itself into the layered world we walk on today. Today, we're exploring planetary differentiation, the profound process that sorted elements by weight and density to build our planet's structure. You'll discover why the center of the Earth is still burning and how this chemical sorting made life possible. When the Earth first formed 4.5 billion years ago, it was a hot, liquid sphere. As it cooled, a process called gravitational differentiation began to take hold. Heavier, dense elements iron and nickel were pulled by gravity toward the center, creating the molten outer core and solid inner core. Meanwhile, lighter silicate minerals floated to the surface, scum on a boiling pot. This separation is why the ground beneath your feet is made of light rock, while our core is essentially a giant magnet. You might assume that all heavy metals sank immediately. But the reality is more complex. High pressure environments cause certain elements to chemically bond with others, trapping them in specific layers instead of allowing them to sink. This means the Earth's mantle isn't just random debris, it's a carefully sorted chemical jigsaw puzzle. But wait, did that most of the gold, platinum, and precious metals in the Earth's crust shouldn't be there? We'll address this mystery, but first, consider how this separation drives our planet's magnetic field. As the molten iron in the core swirls around the solid inner core, it creates a geomagnetic dynamo. Without this sorting process, we wouldn't have a magnetic field to shield us from lethal solar radiation. It's an incredible irony that the very process which buried our heavy metals is the reason we have an atmosphere at all. Now, back to that gold mystery. The surface gold we mine today arrived millions of years later via asteroid bombardment after the initial differentiation finished. Planetary differentiation turned a chaotic molten ball into a layered machine that shields us from space and provides a stable crust. Without this internal stratification, Earth would be a geologically dead rock, unable to sustain the complex environments we call home. If you found this journey through our planet's core fascinating, hit that button and subscribe for more deep dives into the science of our world. Tell me in the comments, what other planetary mysteries should we explore next?